What's up guys, if you watch this video you should be proud of yourself. You're gonna make it in crypto. Why exactly? Because we went down so much, like so many times before, and what happened after all these times? We went back up. But that's not gonna happen for you if you do not invest wisely in the right coins, the right time, the right way. So in this video I'm gonna show you my investment strategy, and it's all about DCAing, but I'm gonna really show you the levels where I'm gonna buy certain altcoins that I have on my watch list to make as much money as possible in the next bull run. So welcome to the FOMO Factory. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, leave a subscription. Well, you already did that if everything is over. Fuck. So welcome to the FOMO Factory. Subscribe to the channel. It's brand new. It's free. I will give you crypto content every single day, man. Like the video already and let's dive right into it. Now, at the moment of recording, Bitcoin is sitting at $23,500, something like that. But I'm recording this one day on forehand and the prices are not so important for this video. But the strategy is, because this is a long-term mindset. If you are a short-term trader, this video is no use for you. I'm not gonna lie. But if you're a long-term investor, then this is probably golden content for you, because to put something in perspective first, why would you want to invest for the long term? Well, let me show you this. This is the monthly Bitcoin chart right here, right? So if you take the Bitcoin chart on the month, then this is pretty funny right here. Let me put it on. Yeah, whatever the fuck am I doing? All right, so this is how the Bitcoin monthly chart is looking like, and the thing that I just want to show you to put everything in perspective, if you take a look at the stochastic RSI, now very oversold, very at the bottom, right? It went to this bottom two times before, in 2015 and in 2018. What happened after all these times? Here in 2015 we went from the bottom to the top, which was 12,000%, 120x on Bitcoin, not even mentioning altcoins right here, right? Let alone if you were longing it 10x leverage or whatever. So absolutely insane returns. Now 2018-19 was of course less low, but still, if you were, take it from the bottom to the top, 20x. Now we are sitting that low again, lower than we were then. So it's just a very good opportunity. Now what I'm doing is I'm dollar costing, of course. So if you, and I will make videos on how to make a passive income with crypto, so you actually have money to dollar cost. But what I'm doing is I'm dollar costing. So every week I'm investing a little bit of money into my watch list. But what I'm also doing is I'm saving up money. I'm putting money aside because, a lot of people think that the lows for Bitcoin are not in yet, and I think it's in. I think the lows are in based on a lot of factors. For example, the pi cycle bottom indicator, but that's for another video. But I think the lows are in, but a lot of people think the lows are not in, and I would always like to consider, what if I'm wrong, right? What if I'm wrong? I don't want to be left out with, you should see, right, that I'm allocating everything right now and then the market goes up or down and you have nothing to buy anymore with. That's a shame. So I'm really keeping both scenarios open. If that happens, what am I going to buy? Well, I made a video showing you my portfolio and I can put it up again, but I have my watch list right here, right? So I have a low risk portfolio, I have a medium risk, a high risk, and a gaming portfolio. Low risk, safe, but 5 till 10x in the next cycle, yes. Mid risk, medium risk, but 20x that portfolio, possible. Then I have my high risk portfolio, 50 up to 100x. And my gaming portfolio, anything in between 10 and 100x is possible. But that's only if you invest the right way. For example, let's go to the low risk portfolio and let's check out DOT, for example. And this is the DOT Bitcoin chart. I want to take the DOT dollar chart, right? So let's take a look right here. If you go all into DOT, for example, right now, then what? Then you will make a 5.5x is if it goes back to its all-time high. But you can make much more out of that because, one, I believe that the good projects, the really good projects, and these are all the projects here in my watch list, otherwise I wouldn't have it there, but I believe that these will surpass their all-time high. Not every one of them, of course. There will be always projects that negatively surprise us. You know, if you asked me 1 year ago if Luna will do well, I would have thought yes, right? But that's, you know, for most of the projects, yes. Also, if you consider the fact that DOT was a lot cheaper, and if you take it from there to the all-time high, that's already an 8x. So keep that in mind, because this doesn't look like a lot, but it's actual 3x your money extra, right? So what am I doing? And I haven't done this for my low risk portfolio yet, but I will do that on cam right now. But I did it for my medium risk portfolio and my high risk portfolio. I made, you know, zones. Here I made these levels where I will buy, and there I will buy heavily. Now, I don't think it will get there anymore. Maybe this level, maybe, but I doubt it already. I especially don't think it will happen. It will go here, and I most certainly don't think it will go here. But I have my just in case money ready, because if for some stupid, insane reason, right, Fantom decides to really shit the bed right here, then Cardano, sorry, not Fantom, Cardano. You know, if you go all in right here and you make it back to the all-time high, you do a 5x. That's great. But if something really bad happens in the world, I don't know what. I don't know. I have no idea what it has to be. But, you know, hypothetically, and we go down here, then I don't want to cry because my portfolio went to shit. I want to be happy because I have the chance to buy here and ride this wave to do a almost 30x on Cardano, right? So yes, that's basically what I'm doing. So I will, sorry if it's kind of long, but I will show you just every single level very quickly of every coin that I will accumulate, that you know, that I have on my watch list. So I have to do this for my low risk portfolio, so that I'm going to do right now. And for the rest of the portfolio, I already have it, so I'm gonna just quickly show you. But these are the best coins in my opinion, and the best, you know, moments to buy them. Pretty simple. So Avalanche, for example, right? This is the 3-day chart on Avalanche. Put it on lock to give it a little more perspective. And if we take a look right now, Avalanche is sitting on support right here. As you can see, this is close support. So if it breaks, we will go down, right? And I think the first level will be this. We had support here, resistance here, little resistance here. We had a lot of resistance here, little support here. So that's a clear level for me. So if everything goes not so great, then Avalanche, yeah, $19, $20, definitely a place for me to buy. So 1/3 of my Avalanche money is going into this right here. Plus, you need to keep in consideration that it might happen. This first level, actually, because the stochastic RSI on the 3 days oversold, on the weekly getting oversold as well. On the daily, I think it's it already came down a little bit, but on the slightly high time frame, we have to cool off. So that's really what I'm looking for right here. So if we put it back on the 3-day chart, I can have a little better overview. Then, if for some reason this doesn't hold, what's the next level? Where it held before, right? That's kind of the level that I'm looking for. So around, yeah, here, $15, something like that. As you can see, support. Here we had resistance, and here, not a lot, but yeah, that's kind of the level. And I'm always having one worst case fucking chaos scenario that will probably never happen, but just in case, you know, I want to have Avalanche at, you know, kind of, you know, this level right here, little support right here, resistance here. All right, so that's Avalanche. $19, $15, and $10, 11. I'm gonna do this a bit faster because there are a lot of coins. DOT, good project. Where is the first support? First support is, and don't be too skeptic about, it this, not this. You know, it's give or take. You never know. Somewhere around $6.60 is where DOT has big support. And where else do we see DOT go if everything goes to shit? Well, around $4.80, and then the last level clear support at $3.90, and after that, yeah, we have to take a look. Near protocol, let me see. It's all hovering on tight support right now, by the way. So I don't know. We just had a great run. Let's see if we can test these current levels as actual support. If that happens and we go up, cool. I already bought, right? So I spread it in four buys, but my first buy I already did. That's basically the level where we are right now as well. So if you haven't positioned yourself, there's nothing wrong with DCAing in my opinion right now. But that's not financial advice, that's what I'm doing. First level for near around $4.60. Second level for near around here, right? So resistance, shit going on right here, resistance, support here, yeah, and then the if shit hit the fan scenario. Here we go. Solana. Do you see where Solana came from? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Solana had such a fucking run. So first level Solana, it's clearly around here, $33, give or take, right? Give or take. If we zoom in, we'll see that it's pretty much give or take, but yeah, somewhere around this level, 35, let's say. Next level, $25, clear support, and probably around $19, but I would say more around $15, as that was big resistance there. Cardano holders, I've got my level sitting at 39 cents, 20 cents, and 9.6 cents. Remember again, the lowest level is always the worst case, fucking World War III, everybody zombie, apocalypse, everybody dying kind of scenario, right? That's not what's going to happen in my opinion. But if I want, I want to, fuck up these zombies with expensive BB guns and shit. So I got to, have a good effect. That doesn't make sense what I'm saying right now. That's Cardano, Arweave. I got it sitting at $7 and $2. Where is my third one? I don't know why I don't have a third one. But the third one is sitting around here. $3 and let's say 80 cents, something like that. Right, Fantom. I've got Fantom at 28 cents, 20 cents, 5 cents and 1 cent. Right, 1 cent will never happen, I know. But if it does happen, if the 1 cent does happen, right? 1.6, let's say 1.6, and we go back to the all-time high, 21,000% gains. It sounds super unrealistic, but it is, especially because this is unrealistic, unless the project dies. But you don't look at the price and feel like, oh, I'm gonna buy because it's low. Always, check out, take a couple of minutes, check out why did the price came down so much. But if it's just general bear market, then a bear market, again, guys, a bear market is an opportunity, all right? Just, that's nothing more than that. Moonbeam. Moonbeam doesn't have a lot of data to track. So, I first have one level for now, 61 cents. And after that, we'll see. Injective protocol didn't have it yet, but this is clearly around 122. And after that, yeah, I don't know. Probably around 9 cents, something like that. It's not, also not a lot of data. Trader Joe, same story. This is not the chart that takes it most back. Trader Joe was sitting at $5, something like that. But yeah, I've got my level sitting at 24 cents and 18 cents. Kusama, first buy $48, second buy $23, third buy $10, and one extra at $5 as well. Chainlink $6, $3.50 and $1.50, and we can draw a bonus line at around 40 cents. But yeah, nah. See, I haven't drawn it for MATIC yet. MATIC, yeah, clearly here, right? 68 cents. Support, resistance, and again, support. So that's the first line, pretty clear to me. Then the second line will be around. Yeah. What should we make of it? Around 42 cents, right? A lot of resistance and some support around that area. Then we have 31 as a other level. Yeah, and then we'll have to see. You can take this right here. You can take this right here, you can take this here. This is the biggest, but this is like 3 cents. 3 cents MATIC. Come on. Moonriver, $13 and $10. Not a lot more data than that. Harmony 1. Do I want to invest in Harmony 1? I don't know. Only if it gets to these levels. So 1.7 cents, 1 cent, and 0.004 cents. Then I've got Render right here. Only big level for me is 45 cents, and there's nothing, other than that. right? And if you know, this is just an example again. If you manage, if it goes down right here again, which might, right? And you buy it right there and it goes back to its all-time high because it's a good project and there will be a bull market, 20x. And like I said, this is the mid-risk portfolio. God damn. RUNE. $2.25, so not far from here, but I want to accumulate more. Then 170, 167, and 121. And keep in mind, this is like, if it comes close, right, then I'm gonna buy it anyway. So I have my level at 167. If it goes to 169, I don't feel like, oh no, I should wait for the other 2 cents, right? No, fucking buy it, but that's a give or take the area, right? Sushiswap 124, 79 cents, 97 cents and 59 cents. Uniswap $5.60, $4.31 and $3.35. That's my mid-risk portfolio. Let's go to the high-risk portfolio, and after that my gaming portfolio. PBPPBX. I only got one, you know. I don't know why I draw this. This is not necessarily what's going to happen. This was an example or something. But not far from now. Not far from now. It's basically already sitting at its support. So I'm waiting for this to happen and then I'm going to buy some. For the rest, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, you could say here because that was the last support. But yeah, that's the only one. Same goes for Beethoven. Yeah. 0.068. Trias, I don't know. 124, 108 and 91 cents. MBL, I'm gonna buy at 0.0037, 0.0030 and 0.0026. Then Dent at 1 cent, 0.0009, 0.0082. Boo, Spooky Swap. These levels are not that far from each other, but also not a lot of data. So 269, 239 and 2.01. Sorry, my coffee is working off. And it doesn't look like a lot, but remember this. Let's say you put $1,000 into this project or any project, but into this one, for example, right? $1,000 and you buy it right now and it goes back to here, right? To the top of this relief rally. You have $1,180. Okay, cool. Does it matter that much if you buy it here or here? Yes, it does matter a lot. Because if you buy it right here and it goes back to there, you have 65% gain. So you have $1,650 instead of $1,180. So it's a lot. Plus, you know, if you buy it right here and it goes down, you lose 25%. But if you wait and it's here, you lose nothing unless it's going down even more. But you know, so there are 2 upsides by doing this. MTV, well, I'm not gonna name it all again. This is the level, right? I'm not in the way, right? No, I'm not in the way. This is the level, this is the level, and this is the level. Cheap ass fucking shit coins. All right, Akash Network. I'm buying at 35 cents, 34, 35, 26, and 21. Again, put $1,000 in right now. You have $1,060. Congratulations. If you put $1,000 in then, and it goes back, you have $2,000. You know, suit yourself. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy right now. And you know, this is not what you make because you're dollar costing. So if you buy here, 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 and here, you know, the average is around here. But still, bam, profits. MNW 48 cents, 39 cents. Seller Network 1.9 cents, 1.6 cents, and 1.3 cents. Polka City, I have my order at 5.7 cents, and really, you know, yeah, you can make, yeah, it's not, yeah, no, I don't know, yeah, give or take, you know, there's no data again. Mitrail 1.4. 0.0078 and 0.004. This thing is strong as fuck, by the way. So yeah, a lot of downside, right? Because if it goes all the way down, you lose 83%. And the upside for now is, you know, just to the all-time high is 6x still. That's quite nice. But if you measure it from the bottom and you go all the way to the all-time high, 50x, right? So big difference. Lossless, 17 cents, 13 cents, and 10 cents. Wink, again, fucking low cap shitcoin with high fucking, yeah, this, and this. Quan, 1 cent and 0.00 9, let's say. I'm slightly in the way all the time, I think. Shit, sorry, I'm not gonna do this video all over again, but my sincere apologies for this. Sell frame, 33 cents, 28 cents, and 25 cents. Polkadot, 176 and 144. Scallop at 18 cents, and then we have MNW at this price and at this price. Then I have my gaming portfolio to wrap it up with, and that's Immutable X, which I really would like to buy at 80 cents again. I have Gala right here at 5 cents, and at 3 cents I would buy, and you know, I can put in another level right here, right? You see? So that's around 2 cents. CeDeFi, yeah, 153. 97 cents and 62 cents if it gets back there, which is the question. But you know, it had such a run. It's finally cooling off, and I don't see any support right here. So yeah, I don't know. It could, you know, this could be the level 183 that it comes down to. But I can see CeDeFi going down pretty hard coming couple of days. Ultra at 25 cents, 21 cents, and 17 cents. Polkastarter, I don't have levels for this yet. Here we go. 43 cents for Polkastarter, and that's the only one for now. Yeah, and it's quite of a mess right here, right? But yeah, if I have to draw another one, yeah, it will be here. 35 cents. Engine starter 0.002 and 0.002. Network at 34 cents. Remark, also not a lot of data, but around 326. Illuvium, $87 and $59. D-Race at 29 cents. Sol, Phantasma at 25 cents, 19 cents, and 12 cents. And we're almost there, guys. Superfarm at 11 cents. Then we have Falcon Forge at 328, 261, and $2.06. Realm, no, didn't have that yet. Okay, whatever. Altora at 0.015. Not a lot more data than that. And we have Veracity to wrap it up with at 0.004, 0.0014, and 0.0007. These are my levels. Not saying you should buy at these levels. I'm saying these are the levels that I will buy if it happens. I will make a video that if we get a bull run today, what are the levels that I'm gonna FOMO into then? Because am I loaded enough? Well, yeah, not quite, but I will be okay if it takes off right now. But yeah, I would like to see that I will get a chance to buy all these things cheaper again. I think we're all gonna make it in that case, and we will do anyway. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with your opinion about some good projects and what places, you know, what levels you're gonna buy it. And sorry for my stupid kind of energy today, but oh man, the coffee is too good in here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you very soon.